Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ihsan Ilahi. Today we will discuss about a topic which is simple pendulum. And normally we study this topic at matriculation and intermediate level. Basically, simple pendulum consists of a small heavy mass suspended by a light string of length L fixed at its upper end. And we can see this is the mass which is suspended by a thread or a string which is connected with inextensive support. And we will discuss here the phenomena occur in simple pendulum through animation. We will check the effect on acceleration, on velocity, how time period changes with respect to length and gravity, and we will check there is no effect of mass on simple pendulum, and if I displace from mean position to some other extreme position, then it will do to and fro motion about the mean position. We can say that it's a vibratory motion. If I increase the length of pendulum, then we will see the time period of pendulum increases, and if I decrease the length of pendulum, then its time period decreases. And we can see that there is no effect of mass on simple pendulum. It continuously vibrates about the mean position at constant manner. And if we increase or decrease the length of pendulum, then it will affect the time period. And we can see here, this is the length, and time period is directly proportional to the square root of length and inversely proportional to the square of root of gravitation acceleration. And basically is a gravitation is a pull effort towards mean position. And we can see that if we increase the length, then its time period increases according to this formula. And this is the demonstration of time period. And we can see there is no mass here, and time period does not depend upon mass. Then from here we can see that there is no effect of mass on the time period of simple pendulum. And however, we can see that if we increase the gravity, then its time period decreases, and it vibrates along the mean position in very high speed. And if we decrease the value of gravity, then its time period decreases and it vibrates slowly towards along the mean position. And we select here the gravity about Earth. If we talk about the energy, kinetic energy or potential energy, then we can see according to the vibration, and I'm here at the extreme position after displacing from mean position, then we can see the effect on kinetic energy and potential energy. At extreme position, we can see that here is a only potential energy and total energy remains conserved. And During the motion, its energy converted into potential and kinetic energy. And at mean position, we can see that at mean position, its kinetic energy increases and potential energy decreases. And total energy during the vibration or during the vibratory motion, its total energy remain conserved and its potential and kinetic energy changes according to position. During the motion, its kinetic energy increases, and if we talk about the extreme position, either from B side or from A side, then it's having potential energy at extreme position, at some position. But kinetic energy is zero because uh, this mass is not moving. During the motion, its kinetic energy increases at mean position, its potential energy decreases and become zero. And this is the animated demonstration about the kinetic energy and potential energy of the simple pendulum. We have seen earlier about the effect of length on simple pendulum, effect of mass on simple pendulum, and if we increase the value of friction, there is a minor effect on simple pendulum. And if the friction is not present, then it vibrates smoothly, and during the presence of friction, it stops its vibratory motion. And if we talk about the value of acceleration and velocity, how velocity and acceleration changes, we can see here. We can see that the yellow arrow shows the direction of acceleration, which is toward the mean position. We can see here the direction of acceleration is toward the mean position during the vibration or vibratory motion. And during the motion, we can see that at mean position its velocity increases and extreme position its velocity decreases and become zero. We can see from this demonstration here. Here is effect on acceleration and velocity of simple pendulum. The value of acceleration, and we have seen that acceleration is directly proportional to the negative x, negative displacement, which shows the direction of acceleration is toward the mean position, and velocity increases at mean position and decreases at extreme position. And this is total demonstration of simple pendulum I have seen here, and I repeat here, if I increase the length of simple pendulum, its time period increases according to this formula. The length increases, this is the formula, and if I choose length this, then its time period decreases, and we can see that there is no effect on mass, but if we increase the gravity, then its time period decreases. And also there is a also effect of friction on this. At high friction, its time period decreases and become zero at certain level. And if we talk about the kinetic and potential energy during the motion, its kinetic energy increases. And if we talk about potential energy at extreme position, its potential energy increases. At mean position, its potential energy become zero. And this is the demonstration of simple pendulum, and we have seen in the books theoretically and through animated demonstration we can see different phenomena of simple pendulum. अब तक के लिए इतना ही है। अल्लाह हाफिज़, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा।